eBay is truly a mother lode for collecting that precious competitor data. The only question is, how can you extract the data you need without dripping with sweat? Well, one of the easiest ways is to use SmartProxy's no-code scraper and its extension. Aha, yes! Since it's a no-code solution, you won't need to write a single line of code. Okay, let's get down to business. Start by going to smartproxy.com. Hover over the Scraping APIs dropdown at the upper right corner of the website and click on No Code Scraper. Now don't be shy and start a free trial. No strings attached, just pure tryout joy for 3 whole days guaranteed. Then register and confirm your email. Once you're in SmartProxy's dashboard, click on the No Code Scraper tab and then press Collection Management. In the Collection Management section, click on the Create New button. For eBay scraping, it's best to create a universal collection. As you can see, to create a universal collection, you'll first need to download our No Code Scraper extension. The extension is absolutely free and goes hand in hand with our No Code Scraper. Click on the Install Now button. After downloading the extension from the Chrome Web Store, click on Add Extension. Now navigate to the top right corner of your browser and open the Extensions menu. Go ahead and pin the No Code Scraper for easy access. Click on the little icon and press Accept and Continue on our license agreement. After this, you can finally open ebay.com and type your desired keyword into its search bar. Let's type iPhone 13 and then press Free Scraping button on our extension. A toolbar will open at the bottom of your browser screen. To start collecting data, hover over and click on the text you want to scrape. By the way, you can also scrape links, images, and in this particular case, even the star ratings of each product. Our selector will automatically extract all the elements of the same kind. The selected elements will appear in different table columns based on their category. So for example, selected star ratings will be separated from product titles. If you notice any unnecessary collected values, simply remove them. The reset button will clear all of your collections for that shiny fresh start. Once you're happy with the selections, name your columns to provide more context for the scraped data. Okay, now it's time for the exciting part. Extract the data by clicking on one of the download buttons to export your findings in JSON or CSV formats. To stop scraping, open the extension pop-up and click Stop Scraper. Now let's take it one step further. Time to show you how to get all of that data straight to your email regularly. To schedule your tasks, click on the extensions icon again. This time, instead of pressing Free Scraping, press Premium Scraping. Enter your SmartProxy's account credentials. Now press Start, then click on the Schedule Scraping button on the upper right corner of the Extensions toolbar. This will take you back to SmartProxy's dashboard to the Collection Management tab, where you'll be able to create recurring scraping tasks. Name the new collection you're creating. Let's call ours eBay Scraping 1. No Code Scraper allows you to select different scheduling options for each task you create. You can schedule your tasks for every hour, day, week, or month. Like with the extension, you can download your collections in JSON or CSV formats. However, with No Code Scraper, you can also set a scheduler to periodically deliver your data straight to your email. If you use automation tools such as Zapier, you can export any data format as a webhook to later use in your automation flows. You can also see the status of your job and the date when it was last executed. If at any point you want to update the parameters for a particular scraping task, click on the 3 dots under Action and then press Edit. To delete a particular job, click on the trash bin and confirm the job removal. Now that you know how our No Code Scraper and its extension work, all that there's left to do is to try them out. Go to the video description. Painless scraping is just one click away. And remember, scrape smart, not hard. Till next time.